Open the door for me. Okay. Oh goodness. 14003 on MSC Meraviglia. This is my first time in the yacht club. So I got my backpack on my back. Just got let into the room. So here's the bathroom. And there's our big shower. It's got a separate shower head and rainfall. Pretty nice size. Closet. Rob doesn't get a bathrobe, just me. That's okay, he doesn't use them anyway.
Oh, huh. Oh, did you do that or?
No, it was like that. Okay, and then here's the rest of the room. Twin beds for us. No, just kidding. Looks like a double. Nice full-length mirror. Good shot of the room. And pretty nice sofa. This is actually pretty nice square footage here. Yeah, I don't know if I can. Yeah, I got dancing space in here. And balcony, pretty wide. Oh, welcome to New York. There's a barge going by. Helicopter in the air. Oh, we're just behind the bridge. We were just behind the bridge on the last ship we were on. But we were down 2 decks. Uh-oh. I'm guessing this is a clue that something might rattle. We'll find out about that later. Okay, one more time through the room. It's a lovely room. Very spacious.